eufyCam S4, revolutionary triple lens bullet PTZ camera, 2-in-1 bullet and PTZ cam, bullet to PTZ tracking and auto framing. Following every move in real time and alerting me before danger gets too close. Powerful solar charging with Solar Plus. Eufy's most powerful solar panel. Day or night, we stay on, 24/7, and we never get tired. Precise detection, powerful deterrence. I'm calling the police. Triple Eyes don't just watch, they eliminate the threat. Better with HomeBase S380. Tracking from all angles. From one camera to the next, it keeps track of its target and provides seamless playback. eufyCam S4.